Understanding common error types.
Errors are an everyday part of programming. Whether you write code in Python, JavaScript, or Java, certain mistakes pop up more frequently than others. Knowing how to identify and understand these errors is key to becoming a better coder and troubleshooting issues quickly.
Syntax errors, the basics.
If syntax errors happen when code breaks the language's grammar rules, examples include missing parentheses or typing mistakes. Python, JavaScript, and Java all stop running if they encounter syntax errors, showing you exactly where the problem is. Fixing these is usually straightforward once you check the line highlighted in the error message.
Runtime errors, when code breaks in action.
Runtime errors occur while your program is running, even if it starts perfectly. Examples include dividing by 0 in Python or trying to access a variable that hasn't been defined in JavaScript. These errors can be unpredictable and often depend on user input or unexpected data.
Logical errors, the hidden mistakes.
Logical errors can be tricky. They don't always stop your code, but they make it behave incorrectly. For example, using the wrong calculation formula or looping one time too many. These errors aren't flagged by the computer. You'll need to test and understand your program to find and fix them.
Type errors and null references.
In languages like JavaScript and Java, using data types incorrectly can cause type errors. Python, too, will alert you when you mix types in unsupported ways. A specific type common in Java is the null reference error, which happens when you try to use an object that hasn't been initialized.
Tips for identifying and fixing errors.
Reading error messages carefully is essential. They often include the type of error and where it happened. Using print statements or debugging tools can help you track down logical errors. Practice, patience, and attention to detail are your best tools for identifying and fixing the most common errors in any programming language.